So let's take a look at how you can display tables with Salesforce and Visualforce pages. So first thing, log into Salesforce developer account, and in this top navigation menu you will find this engine icon. Click on this developer console item that appears when you click on this button. This should open new window that will load developer console. Simply create new Visualforce page, go to file, then new, and then choose Visualforce page. Okay, that should load empty project like this. Now here we are first going to call standard controller. Okay, so we will use standard controller, which is going to be account. Okay, now inside this we will first use Apex, then page block. Okay, and here I wish to give some title to that page block. Let's name this contacts from accounts. Okay, so let's go with contacts. Now inside this we will add some values. Okay, so let's say Apex page block table, because we want this to output in table, so we will go with that. Page block table. Sorry, it is not being properly selected. Okay, now here we will add value. So basically value is going to be within this curly bracket, and we will also add variable, which is going to be contact. Okay, so this is our page block table, within which we will basically call for account dot contacts. Now here we will output some elements from that, so apex dot column, and here let's have value. Let's see if I have like contact dot name. Okay, and let me change this with title. Also n in name should be uppercase, and we will also add phone. Okay, currently I don't think I have added any account, but it should at the minimum present us with some sort of table. Okay, so you can go through this and check whether all the fields that are written are correct. Okay, then we can simply save this. Okay, however there is one error, because we have forgot to add this curly bracket, so we have to save again now, and hopefully that should take care of the error on line 6. Okay, now that error is gone, we can open a new tab for our preview. So let's check out that, and here you can see it is outputting our contacts table. However, we don't have currently any data, so it is not passing the rest of the output, but you get the idea how to use tables to display your contact information. Here you can change your standard controller to, let's say, lead, and take data from the lead as well if you want. Okay, so you get the idea how to display fields from your contacts or leads and display it in a Visualforce page.